There's a tailoring machine there, so that's a common kind of employment. ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ
இது விளக்கெண்ணெய்க்கு என்ன பேரு ஓயில்.
Can she start by telling us her name?
ನೋಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ.
ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ, ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಶಾಂತಿ ಅಂತ.
ಮನೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಾ. ನೀವು ಇದ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಡಿ.
We just want to thank you for letting us interview you today, because our hope is that donors in Canada will see this video and will buy a toilet for other families as well.
ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಈ ನೈಜ ಘಟನೆಯನ್ನು ತೆಗೆಯುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕವಾಗಿ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ತೆಗೆಯುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಕ್ಯಾನಡಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದಂಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾನಡಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಅವರ ದಾನಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈ ನೈಜ ಘಟನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಇವ್ರು ಇಚ್ಛೆ ಪಡ್ದ. ಅದ ಕಾರಣ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅನುಮತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
Okay, so and tell us a little bit about the challenges before the new toilets were built.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೊದಲು ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಮೊದಲು ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳು ನೀವು ಅನುಭವಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆಗಳಿದೆ? ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಡಿ.
ಏನು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಿಲ್ಲ,
ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳು ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆಗಳಿತ್ತು? ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ? ಏನು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳು?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
ಓಕೆ,
ಕಾಡಿಗೆ 1 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ 2 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಕಾಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
ಓಕೆ,
ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ದೂರ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ?
ನೈಟ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಹಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ದೂರ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ದೂರ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
ಓಕೆ, they're telling they wanted to go for a toilet. They wanted to go for 2 kilometers. From here to 2 kilometers they have to go. And if an emergency also comes also, they have to go there only. So late evening and early in the morning, because ladies have got early in the morning, like that she was telling that problem they had before.
And what was there any dangers around that? Was there problems around having to travel that distance?
ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೂರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನೋ ತೊಂದರೆಗಳು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇತ್ತ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ?
ತೊಂದ್ರೆನೆ ಹೆಂಗಸ್ರು ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಹೆಂಗಸ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಜಾಗಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಕುಳ್ತಾರ ಅದ್ ನೋಡಿ ದೂರ ಹೋಗಿ ಕುಳ್ಬೇಕು.
So gents also going, also ladies also going. So they wanted to see where there is gents and where have to go to ladies are there. So for the comfortable they have to look into, and according to that they want to go and toilet they have to see that.
Okay, so how are things better now that you've got a toilet?
ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಕಾರಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಯ್ತು, ಇವರಿಂದ ಒಳ್ಳೇದೊಂದಾಯ್ತು.
So through you it is comfortable and secure. So they are grateful to that.
ನಂಗೆ ಬಾತ್ರೂಮೇ ಇಲ್ದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ, ಅಟ್ಟೆಲೇ ನೀರು ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಆ ರೂಮ್ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ ಮಾಡವ್ನೆ.
So before they were taking bathing and everything in that covering that room only. Not room, covering that shed.
Yeah.
So now they got this one. Now they are using that one.
Okay. And how is it better for the safety of the children? Did the children learn actually about hand washing?
ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನು ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಬಂತಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ
ಇದರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ ಇರೋದ ಕಾರಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಇದರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಅದ ಕಾರಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಇದರಿಂದ ಫಲ ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಯ್ತು, ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ, ಸ್ವಚ್ಛತೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಯ್ತು, ಇದು ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಯ್ತು.
So they were telling that for children also it is good for them. Otherwise they wanted to go along with the parents. So now it is easy for them, and it is safe and comfortable for the children also through the bathroom.
Okay. And what was there training provided about sanitation through Plan or?
ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ತರಬೇತಿಗಳು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಳನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ನಾವು ಕರೆದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಅದೇನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಏನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
So they were telling because before calling this one, before this identifying the families, so we called each families and one place, and we have given awareness program to the people. So in this area we that time Shibin also came.
Okay.
Also we have given the training for all each center. Each
And
center.
what was involved in the training?
Oh,
What did
oh.
you teach them?
About hygiene,
Mhm.
health, and how to use it, that one, and what the use of this toilet and all. Like that, we have given awareness to the ladies and beneficiaries, those who are there. And when you are coming to the family, also we have to tell them. So when you are coming to visit, so we used to give the awareness to the family too.
Okay.
So now they are very much interested that they need that now. Before they were people are I think so many years back toilets are constructed, but they will keep the things there. They got one room now, so they will keep the things inside.
So they're not using it.
No, not using. Now they understood that toilet is necessary for the family.
Okay, so the training is very
Yeah.
important. Okay. Is there anything you would like to say to donors in Canada that have helped with constructing the toilets?
ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದಾನಿಗಳು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಕ್ಯಾನಡಾದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ದಾನಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Thank you again for allowing us to do this. It's important for helping other people too. So thank you.
And she said before the 2 kilometers, where is there some toilet complex or thing there?
No. Open field.
Open field.
Open defecation. Open
Oh.
They had to go to the
field and like this now, father. So we can see. So before when they go, they have lot of problems. Elephants,
Oh.
snakes, I think, and pigs are coming. Pigs, no, wild pigs. Wild pigs. So like that dangerous situations were there. Because in this area is completely wild animals are coming, especially elephant.
Oh.
So many of them are threatened like this and also. So now they are safe and they will go in group. They will go.
Okay.
So now in this place now, so many are going. They will go early, 5:30, 6 o'clock. They will go, 3 or 4 like that. They will go and they will come back. And in late evening also like that.
Okay. Wow.
So now here I think so. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ನಮ್ದು ಕಟ್ಟಿದೆ? Here in this area now 96 toilet we constructed.
Wow.
96 toilets in this area. Again, she is having in her hand, there is 3 more application is there. That because ಎಷ್ಟು ಮನೆ 220 ಮನೆನ. Here I think here I think so nearly 250-60 families are here in this, because different places. In that we are nearly 100 we are constructed in this project, health and hygiene project we are constructed. So again there are many people are there, but they have no documents, proper documents there is no, because according to the
so as per our
restrictions, documents proper.
and other
Yeah.
kinds of documents. But it's
Now.
difficult for them because there are so many people who are migrated here. They don't have a proper document for the land
Okay.
or any kind of proof
Proof.
for that. But since we are obliged to submit those documents,
Yeah.
so we may not be able to support them.
Yeah.
Those are the documents and proper documents and valid things. We support them, and around like 100 out of 260. So we could support here. And I
Okay.
Now again they are bringing, but after coming this no, many of them are going and getting the documents and proper. They are getting the documents now.
Because they want to have a
They
toilet.
wanted toilets they are getting,
Yeah.
and some of them are paying the taxes to the government panchayat and getting the documents. So it is
common for these people to have a proper document.
Okay.
Because once there is need, they will go for this one. But seeing our toilets and all,
Yeah.
they consider it as a need and importance in their family. So they are going for getting these documents and applying for this one. So sister gets more applications coming, but we don't have that much resources this year.
Yeah.
So what we have, we just supported like 200 toilets in this, in this area total.
Mm-hmm.
So that was 400 toilets was our proposed one for this year budget. So we have 400 toilets in that one. 200 is here, 200 in 100 in Tamil Nadu, 100 in Wayanad area.
Okay.
So that's our planning. So even though we have given 200, there are many more applicants are here. So even if we give more and more toilets, also it won't be.
More people will come.
Yeah.
To make the village open defecation free, we need to have more toilets here.
Okay. Yeah.
சொல்லுங்க இவர் இந்த ஏரியா இந்த நம்ம ஏரியாவே இதாகுது.
Marisa?
I think I just wanted to ask how much money did she contribute towards the toilet?
ನೀವು ಇದರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಣ ಖರ್ಚಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್
25,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ
ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಸೇರಿಸಿ
ಎರಡು
ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡೆಡ್ ನೋ ಸೊ ಬೇದಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟೆಡ್ her own contribution 25,000 rupees. So we provided 30,000. So her contribution 25,000 because she extended and to both bathing and toilet.
Because for our instruction, that's toilet is
Toilet.
only
We are supporting.
Yeah.
Since
So she
they are-
wanted
yeah,
even
that one
better,
also,
yeah.
She
Extended.
That's their own contribution.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you again. This video will be helping other families get toilets as well. So we really appreciate you doing this for us.
Come, sir. Come.
Yes.